Hi, and thank you for allowing us to send you this video. I want to be showing you a few tips on how by improving your website, you can outrun your competition, improve your online presence, and of course, get more customers. So let's start here with your website. And the first thing that I'm noticing is that you can definitely use more content and not just images, but wording. It's very important because when you add relevant, rich content with the keywords you're going to be found for, especially on the homepage, it will definitely help you to rank on those Google searches. Um, so, for example, if I go back to see the back end of your website, you're being found for 103 keywords. That's bringing you an average of 71 visits to your website a month. uh, you have over 700 backlinks. Now, backlinks are other sites that are mentioned in your website and will give you the power so you can rank on Google on any of the Google searches. Now, not all links are created equal, so you can have hundreds and hundreds of backlinks, but if they're not powerful, if they're not relevant, and most important, if they're not targeting the keywords that you need to be found for, this can be completely useless. So, for example, a common search is HVAC NJ. Um, the first section you're going to see is this sponsored. You pay Google to be there. Then you have your traditional Google app. This is when you pay every time that somebody clicks on it. The next is the map section. Uh, Top three will always show up. And then the organic results. So we have Edison back on number one, Yelp, the big directory. There's another one over here, sitting on three and four. But this is where you want to be, regardless of your location. You can target to be in this broad uh, HVAC NJ uh, keyword. So this is something very interesting because 67% of the people that do a Google search, they don't even pass this top three and this top three over here. Not even go all the way down to the end of the page, not even to the second, third page. So you can be missing a lot of potential customers here. So for the purpose of the video, I want to pull out Edison HVAC just to compare and see why they're ranking number one and you guys are not. So you can see here on the homepage that they have a lot more content between images and words, and that's helping them. And that's not the only reason. Of course, they have more pages with more service areas, special financing, everything. In comparison to you, you only have a few of them, but that doesn't mean that you can be ranking on that first page, because if you would have the proper content and if you were to be running on an aggressive marketing campaign, you can definitely outrank them. If we look on the back end of their website, they're being found for over 2,000 keywords, and that's bringing them over 600 visits to their website a month. They have over 8,000 backlinks, and in comparison to you, let's see the keywords that you are being found for really quick. So, People's Plumbing, that's part of your brand name, of course. Plumber, Middletown, New Jersey. There's an average of 100 searches a month, and you being ranked on position number seven. You just lost two spots. If this keeps going, you're going to be ending up on the second or third page as well. Um, you can see that you're targeting Middletown a lot over here. But again, you can be targeting more specific keywords and that can bring you more value to your website. If we look on the keywords that these guys are being found for really quick, um, of course, HVAC New Jersey, there's 100 searches a month for this specific keyword, and they're ranking number one. Then this is bringing them from these 100 searches, they're getting 37 straight to their website. Here in the brand New Jersey, 250, and they're ranking at number four. Not that bad, and they're out of these 250, they're getting 29 straight to their website. So something you can consider, because you can target for the same keywords and have and have these potential customers that can definitely help your business grow. So if you like what you hear, if you think we can help you out, please feel free to reach out. Our information will be attached to the email, and I hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.